Losing weight involves a combination of healthy eating, regular physical activity, and lifestyle changes. Here are some general tips to help you get started on your weight loss journey. 1. Set realistic goals. Define your weight loss goals and make sure they are achievable and realistic. Aim for a gradual, sustainable weight loss of 1-2 pounds per week. 2. Balanced diet. Focus on a balanced and nutritious diet. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Avoid or limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive calorie intake. 3. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger. 5. Regular exercise. Incorporate both cardio, e.g., walking, jogging, swimming, and strength training, e.g., weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, into your fitness routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week, along with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days per week. 6. Create a calorie deficit. To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. Tracking your calorie intake and expenditure can help you maintain a calorie deficit. 7. Meal planning. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to make healthier choices and avoid impulsive eating. 8. Sleep well. Prioritize getting enough quality sleep, as sleep plays a crucial role in weight management. 9. Manage stress. High stress levels can lead to emotional eating. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. 10. Seek support. Consider enlisting the support of a healthcare professional, nutritionist, or a support group to help you stay on track and make informed choices. Remember that weight loss is a personal journey, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to find a sustainable approach that suits your individual needs and preferences. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.